Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about a very interesting thing. So before starting this video lesson on web design in English, I would like to tell you about to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for every video notification. Also, you can join the WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups that I have made, so the link of them would be in the description. And you can also follow me on social media like on Instagram, as you can see, so you can see my profile. And you can also follow me on Twitter. Okay, so I have two accounts on Twitter, my personal one and my Codewith Akshut one, so you can join and follow me. And so let's start our lesson. So this lesson is on a very interesting thing, as I told you before. So this lesson will be on Chrome developer tools. Okay, so you must be wondering what is it, but now I will tell you what is it. So first let's go on VS Code and start a new file named as Akshut 16.html. Okay, now I will add the boilerplate. We'll change the title to Chrome Developer Tools. Okay, now in the body tag I will add a h1. Sorry, yes. First I should add a div. I will remove this h1. We'll open the div. I will put an h1. What is happening? And in the h1 I will type Chrome Developer Tools, and I will make a paragraph, and in this paragraph I will write, in this video tutorial I will tell you about Chrome Developer Tools. Okay, full stop. I will save it. I will go on VS Code and press the go live button to switch on the live server. I think it has switched on. I think I disposed it. It worked now. Yes. As you can see, an h1 and a paragraph here. So now I will add some CSS to it. Okay. So for CSS I will type style in the head, and now I will do internal CSS. So for that, first I will put an h1 and I will change its font color by the color property to caddet blue. I will change its font size. I will tell you about these things in my upcoming lesson, so you can stop worrying about it. If you are worrying about it, I will save it. As you can see, its color has changed and the size also. Change it to 50. Yes. So as you can see, the font size has been changed. Now I will do some formatting for paragraph. In this p tag I will write background color is crimson, color is yellow green would be good. So as you can see, this has also inserted here. I will also change its background color to, so I will change it to pale violet red. Okay, this. So I think you are not liking this, but it's just a video lesson. You can change it, so I can also change it. I will do it blue. Yes, now it is good, a bit good. So now what I will do is I will right click on it and open inspect. Why it hasn't opened? Yes. So when it will open, you will see this thing. So first I will remove this console here. I need to do some, yes, now it is good. So as you can see all of this, so this is our Chrome developer tools. So this is all our code we did. So as you can see here, all of our code is here. What all we coded is it. But what is the use of it? You must be thinking this. So the use of it is like, let's open any website, like we can open youtube.com on my channel only. So like I have custom URL also and other also. So you can see here I have 202 subscribers. So first I will open Chrome Developer Tools by right clicking and clicking on Inspect or Control Shift I. Now it has opened successfully the Chrome Developer Tools. Now there are two more options in it. First I will go to Elements. Elements will show all of our code, okay? So as you can see here, there are a lot of things here, and here also many things are here. So first let's see this arrow one. So when you will click on this, then if you hover your arrow to any property or any h1 or anything, and when you click on it, it will take you to its code. So as you can see here, code with Akshut. So we can edit it also, but it will not save it. So the Chrome developer tools are just for developers so that they can experiment on the website and test how it will look. But there is a disadvantage, which is a good advantage. So the disadvantages or the good advantages are like, if you will edit something and if it starts saving in the server, it starts saving in the backend, then you know what will happen. Everyone will change the website, everyone will change its subscribers and all of that. So that's why Google has not enabled it. But the advantage is like you can also check what to do, like what will happen if you change this code to this. So you can change and experiment on the website, and then you can also, if you are making your own website, like here is our code. So before, if I don't change it, like I will don't not change it, I will just test which color suits good. So like I will hover on it. As you can see, it is here. So it is pale violet red. If I change it to just red, it will look like this. It is looking a bit light. If I change it to a hexadecimal number /ff 000, it will become red, I know. If I change it to 9800, it will change a bit to orange. So as you can see, it is looking good. So now I can make this change here /ff 9800. Yes. So I've changed it, and now when I will refresh it, it will change it. So if I will do here red, and it has been displayed. Now if I will refresh it, then it will just banish the code that we did, as it is just for the preview, not for the final. Okay, so this will be only seen to us, this will be only visible to us, the change. Okay, so now I will refresh it. Yes, so now it is refreshing, and it will be refreshed in a moment. So till that time we can check some code for it. So as you can also see here, if you will click on this P, then it will tell you the code here also. So if I change the background color to blue, sorry, it went wrong here. If I change it to blue, then it will look like this. Okay, so this all will happen. You can also change from here. If you remove, so you can also check if this property is not there, then what will happen. So if I, like it is like this, okay, this is the edited code that I did now. If I will do like this, I will click on the tick, it will disable this function, so it will look like this. So I will enable this and disable this, then it will look like this. If I will disable both, it will look like this. So this all will happen. I think it's still loading. Yes, so this will happen. So it blue was looking good, and on blue what will look good? Let's check that. Think orange. Orange is looking perfect. Orange, I will do it. Okay, and when I will save it, then it will refresh it by its own as it's live. So now it is successfully loaded. Now if I will hover on it and I will click on it, where it is, yeah, as you can see 200 subscriber. If I do it 200 M subscriber, you know what will happen, it will look like 200 million subscriber, but 202 million subscriber, but it's not like that, it will only be visible to us. Now let me tell you one more thing. If you want to check that how will it the website look on a phone, you click on this toggle device toolbar. If you will click on this, then you can change the size of this web page and check how will it look like on this page. So there are many options like pixels, it will come. If you want to see how will it look like on an iPad, it will look like this. In pixel 2 it will look like this, it will show. Yeah, so this all will happen will you do when you will do this. Okay, so also it contains extra thing, so that will be not in our code, because Chrome also has some other functions that it uses. So if you want to check the whole source code of the page, you can see here, this is our source code. You can also check it, you can download it, but I will try to post this code on my website as soon as possible. So like as you can see, code injected by live server. So this code, this script is, this JavaScript code is being sent by the live server in a file to show the live clip. Now let's check the console. So if you go on any website like Java T Point is one, and you go to JavaScript. Okay, I'm just telling you some websites that will help you. So like not this, I will go in HTML only. HTML with JavaScript. So as you can see this, now as you will click here it will show. So if you do like, let me show you how it will work. So if you do, many things are there. So when the page loads, then also it can do. So if we just do on load, or you can just see this only, I will just show a good one like this, or you can leave it. So what will happen here, the JavaScript code will be inserted here. Like if I will type hi history, then it will show the history. If you will type on click, and then if you will type P, there are many things here, so you can just, so it will show an error as it is not a code. So there are many codes in it which you can see. Okay, so like when a page loads, then it shows a notification. That is for JavaScript only, so you can just check it how it will look by like coding here. Here you can see the file source. File source will be here, and network all you know need not to focus, but just you need to focus on this. Okay, so our tutorial is ending here. I will meet you next time in my next tutorial.